the mucking with it and testing on it. It just quit working. And it ain't cold enough to be froze up, I don't think. Watch it now. Watch it. Yeah, it's starting to come together now. It gets better. Is it working now? We're going now. Still cold enough to make Whitey steam a little bit. I'm gonna take Whitey over here. We're working on the bumper on Blackbird, so we'll back Whitey in here and use the crane on a few things. Me and Robin's working on that project. Ain't got my steel in, so Castleton's moving or something. I don't know what they got going on, but they ain't got my steel done yet. It's been about a month. But they're working at that. And I got steel in for Blackey, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my bumper on Blackey and get her backed out of there in the next day or two. Stuff. Let me just see the valve. So this is what we done. We fixed this. Put a kit in it. Joni said it didn't need one, but I told her we have to put one in it, or else.
Backwards.
Said so. Bye, Kitty. Here's a cage that come out of it. This here just slides back and forth in there. And I had one O-ring broke. I don't know where it ended up. There's the other parts that come in the kit. That's all the junk that come in the kit. Some of that bull mess and stuff. We got all that. And some of these O-rings are flat. Look at that. Oh well. Yep. Get this on there real quick before I go home. Been working on the bumper on Blackey. Robin been helping me. I ain't been vegetating a lot of this because we've been wide open going at it, and I don't know how bad Robin wants to be on YouTube. So, but here's how she's turning out. It sticks out there a little bit in the corners, but I ain't worried about it. When we get everything trimmed in, it's all me trimmed in with diamond plate. When we get everything trimmed in, it'll look good anyways. And I got it set up for having a tow hook. That's going to be hanging off the D-ring's going to be hanging off the front, or the clevis. And I'm liking it. I'm going to put sissy sticks on the end of it there. Maybe 3 foot in CB antenna whips. So, and I like to set up something off of sissy sticks to where I mount my wide load sign. I'm going to work on that. I'm going to figure out a way to put the wide load sign on there pretty efficiently. But we'll have a clevis in the center, and we'll have the tow hooks. I'm going to make them come through for the side. And it's got 8 half-inch bolts, grade 8's holding it, which with Derek's truck I think I had more than that. I think I had 11 or 10 or something on Derek's truck. I can't recall. So I'm kind of worried about having just 8 bolts holding it, but it's all 1/4 inch. It's not thick wall tube or nothing, but it is heavy. It's a lot heavier than the factory bumper, but she is going to be, when I get done and get it all boxed in and done, it's going to be made to take a licking and keep on a ticking. But all in all, I'm liking it. It looks a little funky, but it's mostly because it's all open. It needs all the trim work done, and it'll look good. It's just a skeleton for now. And it sticks out there a little bit, but I don't care. I like it. I like it. Ready to push the other log trucks. Told them I wanted to where I'm gonna hit a tree and the tree's gonna say, ouch. Yeah. All right, going home. Sorry guys, I know this ain't been a real good video. I don't have my daggone pewters out of tickle bites, so I got to wait to get a new tickle bite box so I can put my pewters full, because I can't, you know, stuff. But thanks guys, later on.